Good day, GIS lovers. What we already have learned? We already have learned what is shapefile and what is georeferencing and why georeferencing. Now we are going to learn how to create a shapefile with adding georeferencing. This is very easy process. To create a shapefile, definitely we need to use ArcCatalog interface and we need to go our created working directory. Say, I want to create a shapefile in my working directory inside this folder named ArcMap. To create a shapefile inside this folder, just right click here. Now go new, click Shapefile to create a new shapefile. In this box, we need to give a name of our new shapefile. Say, I want to create a shapefile in where I want to draw a city boundary or an area boundary, any type of area boundary I want to draw inside my this new shapefile. For my this purpose, I want to give a name like area. Now we need to select a feature type from here. There are 5 feature types. Basically, these 3 types of feature are used in ArcGIS: point, polyline, and polygon. Let's see one by one what are these. First one is point. Say we want to create a map of one-dimensional features. It could be dustbin location points map or lamppost point locations map or landmark point maps. Any type of one-dimensional features map, we need to use this point feature type. So point feature types is for one-dimensional map creation. Say we want to create a linear feature type of map. In that case, we need to create polyline feature shapefile. As example, road map, which is a linear feature. To create a road map, we need to create a polyline shapefile. In that case, we need to use feature type as polyline. In our case, we need to create a area boundary map by using this new created shapefile. So when we decided to create a area boundary, a city boundary, and a state boundary, in that case, we need to create a polygon shapefile. In here, we are going to create a area boundary shapefile, so we need to choose polygon as feature type. Now we are going to add our georeferencing by using Spatial Reference. In here, click Edit. Now we need to click Geographic Coordinate System. Double click on it. Now go to World. Now select WGS 1984. This is the common coordinate system around the world. It is being used in whole around the world. So we are using this coordinate system WGS 1984. Here we can see current coordinate system detail. This is GCS WGS 1984, angular unit, prime meridian, Greenwich, datum, spheroid, and other details. Now we just need to click OK. If you want to see the detail, just check here and you can see the detail of this georeferencing or spatial reference of this shapefile. Now click OK. Here is our new created shapefile. Now let's see the preview of this shapefile. It is showing nothing because there is nothing inside this shapefile as it is a newborn baby shapefile. When we add something, we draw something, after that it can show the feature and the table detail. As it is a blank now, it does not show anything. In the same case, let's see how to create point feature. See the icon of polygon shapefile. This is the icon of polygon shapefile. Now let's see what would be the icon of polyline and point shapefile. In same case, right click here, new shapefile. Now I am going to create point shapefile. Point, select point feature type. Same case, world WGS 1984. Click OK. show detail. Click OK. See the point shapefile. This is the icon of point feature shapefile. Same case in Polyline. I want to create a roadmap. What we need to choose? Polyline. Now click Edit, double click here, double click World. Now select WGS 1984. Now click OK. Check here, click OK. So these are the steps how to create a shapefile and how to add a suitable spatial reference or georeferencing inside this newborn baby shapefile. Enjoy GIS! You have created a GIS project and you have finalized your all shapefile for this project, and after completing this project you have to hand over your all materials and shapefiles to another users or another companies, and you wish that the another user or another companies can see your name and your company logo inside the shapefile description. How to do it? You can add all of these inside your shapefile description by using metadata. In this lecture, we will learn how to add metadata by using ArcGIS interface description tab. We already have created a shapefile named area. We will add some metadata inside this shapefile. We will add our name as owner of this shapefile. We will add also a logo inside this shapefile. From here, click description tab. Now we can see the description of this shapefile. In here we can add the summary of this shapefile, description of this shapefile, use limitation, our company logo in here, and shapefile title. We can also add the owner of this shapefile and many more things. If you can't see this ArcGIS metadata option in this description tab, you just need to go customize ArcCatalog options. In this window, we need to go metadata tab and select ISO 19139 metadata implementation specification. Select this one, then click apply and OK. After doing this, you can see this metadata feature also. Now let's see how to add metadata. Now click edit. In here, we can add a title of this shapefile. Say I want to add, the title is state boundary. In here we can add a logo or your picture, whatever you want to add, you can add from here. Click update. Now I am going to add a company logo inside this shapefile. Now we can add also the purpose of the shapefile. Say I am going to type here not only this, you can add many more things inside this. After enter all detail, you need to click save button, otherwise it will not be saved. See the title of this shapefile, and we already have a logo inside the description of this shapefile. Not only this, we can add many more things. Let's do it again. We can add citation. We can add citation contact. You can add your contact detail in here as a contact manager of this shapefile. To add this, click new contact, your name, organization, position, role. I'm the owner of this shapefile. You can add also detail. You can add any type of description inside your shapefile by using this metadata. Maintenance, contact manager. We already have created a citation context which is visible inside contact manager. Click save. Now click save. Here we can see everything what we already have added inside our shapefile description. Summary, description, scale range, citation, responsible party, individual's name. We already have added this in our contact manager. Many type of detail you can add inside your shapefile. In this way, you can create a document inside this shapefile in where anyone can see the owner, the purpose, the description, everything detail of this shapefile. This is very interesting issues of metadata. Enjoy GIS.